Perimeter and altimeter. Perimeter, a perimeter is a path that surrounds an area. The word comes from the Greek peri, around, and meter, measure. The term may be used either for the path or its length. It can be thought of as the length of the outline of a shape. The perimeter of a circular area is called circumference. Altimeter. An altimeter is an instrument used to measure the altitude of an object above a fixed level. The measurement of altitude is called altimetry, which is related to the term bathymetry, the measurement of depth underwater. Pelage and plumage.